The young lumenlings keep to a simple rhythm. Stay low, forage, and burrow when danger is near. Food is becoming more sparse, and now a strange weight grows in the air, a deadly thickness that pools in low places. The burrows that once brought safety and rest have become tombs for those who follow the old instinct. But others sense that this threat is different and turn their sights to the treetops. The same claws that bore them through the dirt now grip bark, lifting them up the trunks to find hollows in the ancient trees. Old habits return. In the hunt for more safety, the lumenlings find only new challenges. Resin. This looks like the end, but it is not. Weeks pass. The gases finally dissipate. The lumenlings emerge changed. They learn the air. And the valley, now reinvigorated, blooms anew. Older flyers return. As the bloom fades, the flyers disperse into new valleys and new canopies. They do not return until the breath rises and falls, and the valley bursts into life once more.